There's the mother and the father still protecting the baby. The little baby bird that fell in the nest. It's definitely a cardinal. I can hear mourning. Hey, I'm just going to show you quick the little baby. So cute. There's a little baby. Oh, poor little baby. And I have to make sure the cat's in the house. There's the father. I don't see any nests in any of the trees though. That's the problem. We have a lot of trees around here. I would guess it would come out of here because I saw it hop across the driveway. But I do not see any nests in there. If I could find a nest, I'd put it back up there. Huh. Well, let's leave them alone.